Hello YouTube Artistry, and in this video we are hiking today. We're out in the wilderness and we are hiking, and hopefully there's no rattlesnakes because around here there's rattlesnakes, and oh, there's poison oak right there. That's how it looks like. And there's a little old bridge, really old, yeah. And we're out here just hiking. I want to get a hiking video for you guys because I know that I don't travel that much, but I don't go anywhere. And these are where the rattlesnakes are. Oh, and over there, that is monkey face. It's a rock that is like shaped as a monkey's face. So yeah, right now we are just hiking, and I wanted to get a video somewhere else besides my house because I felt like I've been filming around my house a lot. So I just wanted to just film something else for you guys, and yeah, because I don't travel, but this place is like 5 minutes away from my house, and it's just out in the wilderness. Oh yeah, I want to walk on this little dangerous rock thing. Where is it? It's like a, hold on, let me find it. Oh, here it is. It's pretty dangerous, but I'm gonna do it for you guys. Just gonna, I don't want to drop the camera at all. Oh no. Ow. That hurt. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I thought that was like a rattlesnake. Oh, the cigarette right there. Oh, let's get that shot right here. Whoa. That's a, this shot's very nice right here. There's my dog. So yeah, I wanted to just get some cool wilderness shots because I'm hiking today. Just walk back. I'll film more for you guys. I'll try to find more stuff to film. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I just want to show you guys stuff besides filming in my house. Alright, I'll find more stuff to film for you guys. So here I'm going down to this weird forest. Whoa, I actually done this walk before. I think it's pretty cool. I really do like this walk. But yeah, just look at all this right here. Really cool. I really do like it. It's really, listen, you can hear the creek. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I can't hear it. Well, a lot of people, I don't see a lot of people walking on this trail. I don't know why. I just see a lot of people, I don't see a lot of people walking, hiking, on this trail. It's really relaxing. You can just sit here and take a rest and think about things that's going on in your life. Yeah, I really do like this walk. I'm probably gonna film the creek. Yeah, I'm probably gonna film the creek, and then I'll probably film me walking back to the car, and then yeah, I'll just film the creek for you guys. That feels really nice. Just the cold water going on your arm. Here's the creek. That is really nice. Really nice. There's a golf course over there. I'll just film that. Here's the golf course. It is, let me just walk over here.
Oh, you were looking for me?
The golf course is right there. Yeah, if you can see right there. It's kind of over there. I don't know, you guys can't really see it. But yeah, this park is really nice. It's a really big park, really big. Let's film more of it. There's sand here too, see? Alright, now I'm gonna put my feet in the water. Woo! That feels nice. Really, really cold. Someone made this. See? Listen to the relaxing sound of creek water. Let's just take like 20 seconds or 15 seconds of listening to this. That is really relaxing. I think it's super relaxing. Just listening to nature. No technology, although I am filming nature. Yeah. All right. I think I'm just gonna go back to my house now. All right. Okay. So I guess that might be the end of this video. So anyway, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and smack the subscribe button if you want to see more Artsria videos. And that's all. Goodbye.